Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, which monitor and driver you're using, and backing up any open work. Once done, open display settings and select the target display. You will lower the display size by reducing scaling or resolution. Change scaling from 100% to 90% or choose a lower resolution step. Make one change at a time and apply briefly to preview. This prevents unreadable text and gives you control over how elements shrink on screen. Once you've tested basic changes, move to finer control using the GPU control panel or display port/HDMI monitor menus to set custom resolutions. You can enable fractional scaling or set DPI overrides for individual apps. This is why some interfaces need a log-off or restart to update correctly. Make incremental adjustments and check UI legibility after each step. If text or UI elements overlap, increase scaling slightly rather than reverting to a high resolution, which can make items appear small again. You finish by applying the chosen resolution and scaling, then inspect multiple applications and web pages to ensure consistency. Make small tweaks to font scaling or browser zoom where needed, and create a restore point or jot down original values in case you must revert. If the screen becomes unreadable or black, don't panic. Use the keyboard shortcut to revert. Windows typically restores after 15 seconds, or boot into safe mode to reset display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.